on the Ocean Beach Pier. And there's an NSSA Scholastic surf contest that's going on out here right now. And man, I'll tell you what, the surf is pounding up. I actually came out here, I didn't even know the surf contest was here today, but I did know that they forecasted some big surf to come into San Diego this weekend. And you can see it's starting to come in now. They're expecting 8 to 12 foot sets this weekend, and it's just starting to come in today, late afternoon, and now we got a high tide, so. And you can see these sets are starting to go overhead, which looking at least probably a good 6-7 feet. Take a look at this over here. The sets are coming out of the west. They're really lining up over on the other side, and these guys over here that are surfing are going to be able to catch some. But look at those sets out there. Those are some big waves. Those are some really big waves. That's probably right there. That's probably getting close to 10 feet, 10-foot surf, and it's coming right through the pier, coming over here where these guys are surfing, and. A lot of water. And this is where you really start sorting out the professional and semi-professional surfers from the amateurs, because when the surf gets really big, instead of seeing more surfers out in the water, you're actually going to see less. Mainly because you have to really be skilled to handle these kind of waves. And actually tomorrow it's supposed to be even bigger. So this guy in the orange. It's another beautiful day here in San Diego, down in Ocean Beach, where you can see this area back over here. This hill up here is actually La Jolla, and this area right down here is Mission Beach, and then you get Pacific Beach, and once you get to the hill, you're in La Jolla. So the beaches in San Diego all basically line up, obviously, but I'm in Ocean Beach, which is probably one of the south beaches here in San Diego, and then just above this you have Mission Beach, and then Pacific Beach, and then up where that hill starts and starts bending up around the coastline, that's where you're going to have La Jolla.